color or light. You think you'll never get it right, but you won't, you might. The sky could fall on me.
As you can see in this picture, there's a large gash in the edge of my ski. Those little T-shaped pieces of metal are what hold the edges onto the ski.
You mean more to me than any color I can see.
So you can kind of see, as I hit it with the heat, you can see how the heat transfers through the ski. See how it changes colors. Basically what we want to do is we want to get this area get a little bit warm. Start to heat this up a little bit. You try to keep it from burning as much as possible.
And this is kind of the binder part of it?
Yeah. I usually do this and get a good grip on it.
Yes, you try.